Tehseen, this is not an isolated instance. Let's talk about the mindset that drives this kind of bigotry. I was, mentioning what Rahul Gandhi said in Kashmir. What is this outsider-insider narrative in the country?
Thank you so much for having me on the show, Pranesh. There are 2 or 3 issues that I want to raise. Number one, I didn't know that the India Alliance had a joint manifesto. They had no joint manifesto. Each party had its own manifesto. They had some common goals. There was no joint manifesto. That's first. Point number 2, the Congress, the RJD, the SP, they are all for the caste census. Point number 3, the caste census has been done in 2011. Shri Rajnath Singh ji, Shri Arun Jaitley ji, late Shri Arun Jaitley ji, Shri Amit Shah ji on the floor of Parliament, it says all the errors have been removed, it will be released. We are now in 2024, release it. Why are you not releasing the caste census? Why are we going to caste survey? Caste survey and caste census are completely different as chalk and cheese. Release the caste census, let's put our money where our mouth is. This is as so far as the BJP's hypocrisy is concerned. Number 4, I found it outrageous, stunning that Rahul Gandhi makes a speech in context to Jammu and Kashmir. There's an incident in Bengal. Rahul Gandhi is blamed for it, not the Prime Minister of India, whose many speeches are very divisive, from Mangal Sutra to Machli to Mutton. But I don't want to get into those speeches. The Congress party and Tehseen Poonawalla fought for mob violence. Today, I know the Congress and RJD took up this issue with the TMC government. Action has been taken. These people have been arrested. I am asking you several actions of mob violence across the country. Forget action. I am telling you where people based on caste are being killed in Uttar Pradesh, based on religion are being killed in Uttar Pradesh. That is much worse than mob violence. What action has been taken? Let me say, and I hope I'm not stopped. People who act as part-time policemen and full-time property dealers in Uttar Pradesh are involved in encounters. Based on caste, based on religion is my question. Is that the criteria? Why is action not taken there? That is the larger question. Yes, this is wrong. This is terrible. And action has been taken. Honorable Mamata Banerjee's government acted. Where is the action in Uttar Pradesh and other BJP states where hate is spread continuously?
You were talking about why I brought up what Rahul Gandhi had said in Kashmir. Tehseen, look, the point is that this is, like I said, at the cost of repeating myself, this is just one incident. This is about that mindset. When Rahul Gandhi, who talks about Bharat Jodo and Mohabbat ki Dukaan and what not, and saving Samvidhan, democracy is dead. How is this an example of saving Samvidhan? Where is the reaction?
I'll explain to you.
Where is the outrage?
I'll explain
just
to you.
Imagine, just flip the state.
I'll explain to you. Let me give you the answer to this.
Tehseen, had this happened in a BJP-ruled state, would you have settled for the police have arrested 2 people? And there are many people, 1 minute, there are spokespersons of the TMC. Let me quote. This is Riju Datta. He says, police have arrested 2 already. He begins by saying TMC has condemned, also called for action against the students who are carrying fake documents. And at the same time, nobody has any right to take law in their hands. Then he says, Giriraj Singh, Chirag Paswan must also answer that why Biharis have to go to other states for employment with fake certificates.
Let me explain everything. I hope I'm not interrupted. You asked the first question, is this constitution alive? Yes, it's alive. Professor Mondal is here. And the representative professors are from RGDs here. There was an incident which is illegal. Action has been taken. Today in Uttar Pradesh, yesterday in Uttar Pradesh, a second standard kid was murdered and was sacrificed to make the school name good. Are these questions? What is worst? A kid was sacrificed, was murdered by the school teacher so that the school gets glory. This happened in Uttar Pradesh today.
I know we are running the story, Tehseen. Don't tell me what is happening in the country. I'm aware. You're not answering the larger question.
Of course you are. 1 second. Please allow me. I request you. Hold it. Rahul Gandhi is blamed for a speech in Jammu and Kashmir where 2 people carrying fake documents are beaten up in Bihar. Rightly so. It's a wrong action. Action has been taken. By the same logic, a second standard kid is sacrificed in Uttar Pradesh so the school's name go up. By your logic, why is Prime Minister not blamed for it? Why is Adityanath ji not blamed for it? No, we cannot blame Prime Minister. That is individual action. Here it's not individual action despite action being taken. Nobody was murdered. Yes, it's a wrong incident. Yes, this is against the law. And the TMC government acted, RJD acted, Congress acted. We saved the constitution. What has BJP done? A second standard kid was sacrificed to make the school's name good. Can we imagine what has happened? Now what is
No,
TMC
one
saying?
minute.
Don't travel
What
with
you are
fake
saying is a false equivalence. I'll tell you why, but let's get in Sudhanshu ji.
How?
Sudhanshu ji, तहसीन ये कह रहे हैं कि देखिए उत्तर प्रदेश में भी तो हो रहा है, तो आप ये सिर्फ बंगाल क्यों कह रहे हैं?
There are two things. First, how he has drawn a final conclusion is the investigation has completed, or is the court has given a final judgment that the school child was killed for this purpose? Sir, you are a lawyer. You should not speak in this tone. Second thing, has anybody of his defended this or glorified this? And third point, Rahul Gandhi is saying in Jammu Kashmir that it is being ruled by an outsider and indicating towards LG. He doesn't know the constitution, because as per the constitution, the governor and the lieutenant governor cannot be from that state. They cannot be from that state. There has to be outsider. अब इसे क्या कहा जाए साहब, बाल बुद्धि कहा जाए या शरारती बुद्धि कहा जाए? Second thing, you have said about the caste census and caste survey. तो sir, why it is not coming out in Karnataka? Why it is not done in Telangana? Why it is not done in and one more thing, you said that the caste census has been done, and yes, Rajnath Singh ji as Home Minister has said that these things to be rectified. You know how many caste have come out in that 2011 survey? 1 lakh caste. 1 lakh, more than 1 lakh caste in India. So the letter has gone to various states to verify, because if there is small caste in one district or two districts, can is center verify? No. Can you tell me that Karnataka has given the clear verification of the caste? तेलंगाना ने दिया जहां हमारी कभी सरकार नहीं रही है, केरल ने दे दिया है, वेस्ट बंगाल ने दे दिया है, नो. Then how you are expecting that the government should come out with that? और फिर मैं ये कहना चाहता हूं, this type of bogey of, you are looking at the caste of the criminals. Today UPSTF issued the statement, 52 encounters have been done, and you know, Yadav 5, Thakur 7. It is painful कि डेड ब्राह्मण 10, मुस्लिम 15. नवल किशोर जी कान खोल के सुन लीजिए, यादव 5, वो यादव पे तो बोला, अंकित यादव पे नहीं बोला जो आसनसोल में हुआ. ना, उसमें यादव थोड़ी नजर आता.
बोलिए नवल किशोर,
क्यों? कारण आपको बता दूं मैं, एक बात सारे दर्शकों ने